Hello guys, this is Rebecca from Vector Optics. In this video, we do an unboxing for Continental 1.529 by 42 hunting version. Specifications and icons are printed on the outside. Continental series is lifetime warranty. Let's start. A protecting foam. An instruction. A new product leaflet. Look clean clothes. A replacement cap. Lifetime warranty card. A pair of medium Picatinny rings. A plastic wrench. A 3-inch sunshade. Let's see what in the rings box. A pair of spare gaskets, a hex key, and 6 screw scope rings. Take off the lens cap. See the scope. Laser marking on ocular lens tube. Diopter composition is from 2 to -3. Power ring is from 1.5 to 9. Very smooth to change magnification. Illumination is 6-gear red. Battery cap with golden BE logo. Elevation and windage turret is designed with protective cap to avoid accidental moving. Click value is a quarter-minute of angle. Total adjustment range is 140 minutes of angle. Click sound is very crisp. The interval feel of the lighting knob is also very good. Let me demonstrate how to change the battery. Take off the cap. Put a CR2032 battery in. Pay attention to the front and back. Just tighten the cap. That's all the contents in this video. If you want to see more Continental videos, please go to the below links. See you next episode.